Hey guys, it's me Johan, and today I'm gonna be opening up a laptop and seeing what's inside. And here it is. And these are all the tools I'm gonna be using. So, let's get into it. Now, before we start this video and see what's inside this old laptop, a sub and a like to this channel would be amazing. So, here we have this old Lenovo ThinkPad. And it's so old. It's from 2005. It's really broken badly. Like, some parts are missing, some screws are missing. It's pretty old. But my friend has given it to me so I can open it and make a video. So, that's awesome. So, let's begin. And guys, I have opened up my Lenovo ThinkPad T400, and as you can see, I've got some piles of a few things. Over here, we have the keyboard, the outside frame, the cursor. Over here, we have some electrical wiring, a power jack thing to charge your battery, your speakers, your external USB, and your cooler. Oh, also, for this kind of model, there is a, I think, SD SIM card reader. I think. Oh. Whatever. There's electrical tape. And also, guys, check this out. I found this Blu-Tack of like Blu-Tack kinda thermal paste that was on this cooler. Like really? How bad can thermal paste get? But this pile is just like not rubbish, but like cool electronic pieces, but I'm not gonna use them. Also, I have this really large 85 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery, and I'm not planning to do anything with it. I'm just gonna give it back to the owner because this is not my laptop, this is my friend's. I'm gonna give it back to them because don't open up 85 kilowatt hour lithium ion batteries. You'll probably have an explosion and you will probably die. So yeah, didn't ever do that. Now over here, this thing, motherboard, really beautiful. It's beauty. Trillions of transistors, circuitry, and chips. Make trillions, in the number of trillions will make this computer run. Now over here we have some parts that go onto this. Now this particular model has a telephone line thing, so you can actually put in the line for a telephone and actually have a telephone in your computer. I don't know why we need that now, but this is 2005. The iPhone was invented 2 years later, so it makes complete sense. This is an Intel Wi-Fi Link 5100, and as its name suggests, it's the Wi-Fi module, so you can have internet access without having to have, I think, 10 or even 100 megabit Ethernet plugged in at all times, so you can go around, have Wi-Fi, still browse the web. Now, before I go to this, I have some 2 gigabyte DDR3 RAM modules. They're sodium. Nothing super cool about them. Yeah. Over here is the holy grail of your computer. Your CPU. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Your CPU goes into your CPU socket. That's our motherboard. All the components that go on. There's a bunch of integrated stuff like this GPUs, which just gonna remove some stuff. The GPUs, integrated GPUs, and this weird thing, a bunch of chips. Over on the back, you have a bunch more chips. You can also see your I/O ports, battery stuff, space for your cooler, etc. So that's that pile. Now you might be wondering why I have another pile over here with the screen, a hard drive, a DVD player, and a bunch of weird looking tools. Well, the answer is simple. These are actually 2 piles. One pile is the tools. The other pile is a surprise pile. which I'm going to just tell you what it is about now. Now, to open up the computer, I used a screwdriver, pretty necessary. These multi-bit things that I could access like stuff like if there were different sizes, then my screwdriver could. And I used the number 4 one to open this, but yeah. I did not use this at all, so I just thought I was going to open up some hexagonal screws, but nah, didn't need to. Bunch of pliers just to break stuff off, and that's how I broke this off. Okay, now that's our tools. Here is the things that I am going to be opening up in future videos, like this computer I opened up and I made a video. I'm going to be making different videos on opening up a 5400 RPM, 1.5 gigabit a second, 160 GB Seagate hard drive. Pretty good, really nice for the time. These days, SSDs, hard drives. Here we have a Lenovo Serial Ultra Bay Slim DVD Multi. Okay, really long name. And over here we have the Lenovo ThinkPad T400 screen. Now, I'm really excited to open these. I want to see the main reasons why I want to open all of these is for the hard drive, see the metal platter things and where all the information is stored, and see that weird needle that goes read and write, read and write, read and write. For this, the reason why, DVD player, you might be thinking, what's so cool in that? Just have a motor and this weird thing that reads. But the thing is, it is a class 3B visible and invisible laser, which is actually so harmful that you can actually go to hospital if it comes into contact for too long with your skin. And over here, we have the screen with the camera, some antennas, and things that connect there for Wi-Fi. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome video on seeing what's inside your old computer. See you in my next video. Bye, and please subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. Bye, and see you in the next video.